Hi and welcome to today's video where we're going to be pointing up this patio using mushroom Easyjoint. So first step is to wet the area. We're then going to spread the jointing compound around and at the same time just keeping the hose pipe spraying the area. Then you can start spreading it around, just using the trowel to push down the jointing and make it compact. In case you were wondering, these slabs are Indian sandstone and they are called fossil mint. Some instructions say just to sweep this in, but I definitely recommend giving it a bit of a push down, either with a trowel or a pointing tool.
Feels so right. No more stress, no more fight. Just good vibes, pure delight. Feel the rhythm, let it flow. In the breeze where the palm trees grow. Sunshine high, waves so low. Island vibes, let your troubles go.
So you will find it does stick to the slab, so as you keep sweeping, as it dries out you'll notice it does start to come off. And there we have it, fossil mint slabs with mushroom jointing. Hope you enjoyed the video, see you next time.
Like waves upon the golden sand.